If you're looking to add more leafy greens and protein to your diet, then my spinach apple pecan with seared chicken is perfect for the occasion. And just because the temperatures outside are getting cooler doesn't mean that this salad still cannot make center stage on your dining table. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where I am showing you healthy versions of the foods that we love. And today's recipe is a delicious, nutrient-rich salad that is perfect for the cooler months. It comes together oh so quickly with just a few simple ingredients and probably using things that you already have in your kitchen. So without further ado, let me show you just how easy it is to put this salad together. First, let's talk about some of these ingredients. I have my spinach, which I rinse with some cool water and some vinegar just to make sure that this is thoroughly clean. Put it in my salad spinner and I spun it dry. Then for my pecans, so you guys, you can just use pecans out of the bag. You can go ahead and put them into a skillet just to toast them a little bit, or you can do exactly what I've done here and that is I am using some candied pecans. Super simple to make. All you need is your skillet, some butter, some brown sweetener, and your pecans. Heat it through, set it aside, and as you can see, this butter and the brown sweetener caramelizes on these pecans. Now for our apple. Now, one thing that you do know about apples is that they can be high in sugar. I'll leave it up to you to make the determination which apple that you are going to choose, but please do keep in mind, depending upon which brand you choose will determine what the sugar content is going to be. I've already rinsed this apple. I am going to cut it in half. And I am just going to proceed to cut thin slices, which is what I'm going to use to put in my salad when I assemble it. Just like that. Okay, now this is plenty for my salad. Let's go ahead and set the rest of this apple aside. Next is our chicken. So I am using chicken breast. What I need to do is I need to grill it. I am using a very simple blend of seasoning, you guys. My go-to, which is, first of all, I coat the chicken breast with some avocado oil. Then I proceed to season it with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Okay, as far as this chicken breast is concerned, you guys, one thing to take note of is that it was kind of thick. So what I did is I split it in half. That way I can make sure that it is going to cook thoroughly and also cook evenly. So first thing I'm going to do is take some of my avocado oil and coat both sides of this chicken breast. And this will help the seasonings that I put on it stay on. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. Rub this on, flip these chicken breasts, and then do exactly the same thing on the reverse side. All right, you guys, this chicken breast is ready to be cooked. So I'm going to set this aside, and then I'm going to talk about a couple of the remaining ingredients. Another one of the ingredients for this salad are some red onions, which I went ahead and pre-sliced. And now for my homemade vinaigrette. This is my go-to vinaigrette, you guys. All the ingredients that you will need to put this together is up there on the screen. Once again, it's super simple. Once I make it, I put it in my little container right here so that when I'm ready, it's ready. Now let's go over to the stove and cook the chicken. To my heated skillet, I am going to add some avocado oil and add my chicken. Now you guys, based on the thickness of this chicken, this should cook for approximately 3 minutes per side. Okay everyone, as you can see, this chicken has a beautiful sear on both sides, and I also use a food thermometer just to make sure that the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is. Gonna remove this chicken and let it rest for a few minutes, and then it'll be time to assemble our salad. Okay, everyone, our chicken has rested. Let's go ahead and slice it into the size pieces that we want for our salad. Nice and tender and juicy. All right, you guys, time to assemble. Okay, in my serving bowl, I've already put my leafy greens in here. And I am going to top this with some of this crumbled feta cheese. Next, my red onions, candied pecans, my apples, chicken breast, and the only thing left to do is to sprinkle on some of this homemade vinaigrette. Now that you learned how to put healthy, nutrient-rich foods together with ease from the comfort of your home and you would like to see more, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And if you enjoyed this recipe, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And also, please do share my channel with those that you feel would benefit from healthier versions of the foods that we love, so that together we can make this chapter of our lives the best chapter of our lives. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I'll see you real soon, and enjoy. The perfect salad. So good.